Hello all, welcome to Las Vegas. This is CES 2026 Lockin booth. Lockin is the global high-end smart door lock brand. We offer best cutting-edge technology for smart locks. Follow me. Let me have an introduction for you. Firstly, you can observe my palm vein here. Okay, so this is palm vein recognition technology, which Lockin brought to the industry. What we call the Piano key, we are the first to bring to the smart door industry because the vein recognition is 65% faster than the facial recognition, and it's much more smarter. Even you have identical twins, and it's much more safer. The false acceptance rate is below 0.0000631%. So it means that it's very much fast, 0.22 seconds to recognize you, and it's very much smart. They have 50K distinguishing points, and it's very safe comparing to all the other recognition methods.